All right, our next article is from CNN.com. A court strikes down the EU-US Data Privacy Pact, leaving companies in the lurch. So which companies are in the lurch, the U.S. ones or the European ones?
The U.S. ones. This one's a total debacle. When GDPR was passed, it was significantly more strict than anything that we have here in the United States. And in the United States, privacy protection has been left up to the states. And some states, like the state of California, have worked to be in line with GDPR. You could argue that California is practically an EU nation. But there's plenty of other states in the U.S. that haven't taken step one to protecting user privacy. So our laws are all over the place. And so to try and help with that, there was something called the EU-US Privacy Shield that was created. It was an agreement between the two organizations to be able to say, yes, we don't have a national law for this, but these companies will adhere to GDPR's regulations, and that way European user data will be protected here in the United States. So this was kind of a stopgap for companies. Well, now a EU court has stricken down that agreement, so it's no longer valid. And so now there is no agreement, which means that technically PII, personally identifiable information for European Union citizens, is not allowed to be transported to the United States because the privacy guarantees and controls are not there. And the only thing stopping this from being a total disaster is that they did leave one clause in place, which is the one that says companies are allowed to enter into contracts, and the contracts can state the terms of privacy protections. And so that's what's stopping. So, for example, like IT Pro TV has a number of customers in Europe, and they can continue to do business with those customers because they have a contract that says, yes, we'll protect the data. Here's how we're going to protect it. Here's all the different things that we do on an individual contract basis. That's still okay. But this big umbrella thing, the EU-US Privacy Shield, that you used to just be able to be a member of, now that's gone. You've really got to do contractual protections.
So what I'm hearing is there's a lot more paperwork.
Yes, that is absolutely accurate.
Oh, man, that sucks.
Yep.
Well, I don't want to be any part of that.
Well, and neither does the end user. So really, at that point, it means that privacy protections are going to go by the wayside. People just aren't going to care. If you enjoyed that segment, be sure to check out our entire podcast available in the playlist right here. And you can always subscribe to stay up to date with the latest tech news and other happenings in the IT world. Be sure to tune in every Thursday for new episodes. I hope to see you there.